Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Winwalk app, the pedometer that promises to reward you just for walking. But is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. So what is Winwalk? Winwalk is a free pedometer app available on Android that tracks your steps and gives you rewards like gift cards or discounts in exchange for your daily activity. The goal is simple: turn your steps into small perks and make walking a bit more fun. How does it work? Once installed, the app uses your phone's built-in step counter to measure your daily movement. Every 100 steps are converted into a coin, and these coins can later be redeemed for rewards inside the app. No GPS is required, so it saves battery life compared to other fitness trackers. Who is it for? This app is designed for anyone who walks daily, whether it's students walking to class, professionals commuting, or fitness enthusiasts looking for extra motivation. Pros? It's completely free, very easy to use, and doesn't drain your battery since it avoids GPS tracking. The idea of earning small rewards just for walking can be motivating, especially if you're already active. Cons? The rewards aren't huge. It can take a long time to accumulate enough coins for something valuable. Some users also report limited reward options depending on their region. And of course, if you're looking to make actual money, this app won't deliver that. So here's my recommendation. Winwalk is a fun way to gamify your steps and grab some small perks along the way. If you're already walking daily, why not? Just don't expect it to replace a side hustle or pay your bills. And that's it, guys. Have you tried Winwalk yet? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.